This step-by-step guide will walk you through registering for MyAgFood. MyAgFood is your central digital hub for your scheme applications, financial services, herd management, animal health, testing, and land management. To get your account set up, open your web browser and go to www.myagfood.ie. On the home page, find the login section and click the register link to start. You can also click the main menu and from the drop-down, click the register for a MyAgFood account link. This brings you to the MyAgFood registration page. Look for the Farmers section. Registering will allow you to apply for schemes like BISS, manage animal movements, and nominate your farming advisors. Click Farmers to continue. Before starting, contact your local RVO to obtain your herd number, forest roll, or business roll. Have your PPS number ready along with a pen and paper to record your login details. Next, click Register as a farmer. Step 1. Personal information. Please ensure the details match those on your regional veterinary office registration. Type your first name, surname, and date of birth. Enter your PPS number and click Next. Step 2. Contact information. First, fill in your telephone number. This will be the number that the department will contact you on if issues arise. Next, type your email address. Your MyAgFood registration reference number and future correspondence will be sent to this email address. Click Next. Step 3. Account username and login. Choose a username between 8 and 45 characters long. The @special character is allowed for your username. Now, create your new credentials. Ensure all 4 check marks underneath light up green. Next, retype your new login credentials. Click the reveal icon to view your text. Once your entries match, click Next to continue. Note down both your account name and security key for your records. Step 4. Security questions. Answer 2 quick questions. Your first car and your mother's maiden name. Note these answers down too, just in case you ever need to recover your account. Click Next. Step 5. Final review. Double-check all your information to make sure everything looks right. Need to fix something? Just click Change, or click the back button. If you have a printer handy, hit Print now to save a copy for your farm records. Once you are happy with everything, click Submit. You have now finished your registration for MyAgFood. Note down or print the reference number displayed on the screen. A confirmation copy will be sent to your registered email address. In a few business days, your local RVO will verify your details, then your personal access code will be issued via post to your official address.